Hi everyone, so today I have a video for you guys and it's going to be another prank video, guys, another prank for you guys. You guys seem to really love my last one. You guys gave it so many thumbs up, so if you can try and get this one to 20 thumbs up, then we can definitely have another prank. Right after this video hits 20 thumbs up, I'm gonna go ahead and start the next prank, like right away. So make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button, guys. Definitely smash that like button, guys. So yeah, this prank is going to be on my brother and it's going to be the sticky notes prank. So I'm literally going to cover everything in his room with sticky notes. You guys will see the before, which we've kind of already started doing something to his room there, like we kind of started already, and then the after, and then his reaction. You guys are going to see that as well. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get on with the prank, guys. I don't want to talk too much in this intro. If you guys are new to my channel, though, if you guys want to see a lot more from me, then make sure you guys subscribe. Click that red button down below, guys. And also the post notifications button so you guys can stay updated with all my videos and everything. So, yeah. So yeah, basically, guys, that's pretty much the prank. I'm going to put sticky notes all over his room, everywhere, the TV, his pillows, his bed, his closet, absolutely everything. His shoe collection that he has, that big old shoe collection. I'm going to cover up everything. Two of my cousins are going to be helping me do that. So let's just go ahead and get on with this prank video, guys. I just can't wait to see his reaction. I feel like he's kind of going to be dull about it, but I don't know, guys. Honestly, it just depends on how he's feeling, like his mood and stuff. He's a little bit more chill with things. So he's coming tomorrow in the morning, guys, at 8 o'clock or something like that. So yeah, I need to get this done by today. So we're just gonna go ahead and see how many hours it takes us to put those sticky notes on everywhere. I'm really excited for it, guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys are too. Also, by the way, guys, I did get this inspiration from Thatcher Joe, from one of my all-time favorite YouTubers. You guys already know who he is. He's literally one of my all-time favorite YouTubers ever. If not my number one, he's definitely in my top 5 favorite YouTubers, and his sister as well. But yeah, that's where I got the inspiration, guys, in case you guys are wondering. No, I did not create this prank at all. Let's just go ahead and get on with the prank because I'm just rambling on too much now. Oops, because I'm just rambling on way too much now, so let's just go ahead and get on with the prank. So let's go. We started the process a little bit. So this is his room. We're gonna do all his shoes right here. It's not staying on the actual wall, but everywhere else it did. Hi guys, so I'm back with an update for you guys. So basically, as you guys saw, like we were trying to put the post-its on the actual wall, but I don't know if it's the paint, the type of paint that's on the wall that's not letting the post-its stick on there, or if it's the, I don't know, maybe the post-its just are not strong enough and they suck. I don't know what it is, but basically they're not sticking whatsoever. They were not sticking to the wall. They were all falling down. So what we're gonna end up doing is actually lining up post-its and then taping them onto the actual wall, taping them together. As you guys can see, like an example, I will insert it right here for you guys. So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed that they don't fall out. Hopefully that does work, what we're doing right now. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get right back to the video. I just wanted to let you guys know what we are doing because it just would not stick whatsoever, like at all. They just would not stick to the wall. So that was actually a fail for us, gone wrong, prank gone wrong. But hopefully this does work. So we're just gonna get back to the post-its. Let's go. All of this is pretty much done. The TV is like completely covered. The drawer, the dresser is completely covered. So we just have a lot going on. Hi guys, so I'm actually super tired already. Yeah, so it's 12:18 right now. Obviously everybody is asleep already. My parents, my cousins actually had to go already, so I did drop them off at their house. So I'm just finishing up all the stuff. I don't think I'm gonna have enough post-its for everything. I'm trying to get the last bits done, so I'm gonna do the bed right now, like completely. Just finish up the bed, and then I'm gonna finish doing the curtains as well. I'm just trying to do my best to do the whole thing, and yeah, I'm just getting really tired already, but I'm still gonna keep going because I really do want to do this prank for you guys as well. So yeah guys, if you guys want more prank videos next time, I might just not do it on my brother. This was just a really good opportunity since he is gone. But anyway, yeah, enough for my rambling guys. If you guys do want more pranks like my last one, which was the coughing blood prank on my cousin, I can definitely do some of those kind of pranks instead of doing, like, you know, the room pranks and stuff like that. Yeah, I would be okay with doing either one. I really do love watching like both kinds of pranks. So yeah, like I really do love watching prank videos. I love makeup videos, I love fashion videos, I love fashion just in general. Like I just love fashion so much. You guys know me, I always, you know, I like to do my own outfits and stuff. But anyway, enough with the rambling. Once again, I'm rambling again. I'm gonna try and wake up super early to try and finish the rest of the room up. So yeah, I'm trying my best guys. So let's just get on with the rest of the prank guys. Hi everyone, so it's prank day today. It is prank day. I literally just woke up not too long ago. I went to sleep at around 2 o'clock yesterday. So yeah, that was just super late for me. So I went to sleep at 2, just getting the last bits that I wanted to get done. Some of the post-its did fall off. I'm gonna try to sort some of the last minute stuff out because he's literally gonna come like in 20 minutes I think, or 30 minutes. I'm gonna start setting up the camera as well, the GoPro. I'm gonna start setting up the GoPro over there. I'm gonna show you guys that as well. And yeah, honestly guys, this is gonna be such a gone wrong, or it's gonna be a fail, just because my brother, I feel like I know him enough to know that he's just gonna look at it, walk in, and walk right back out. Honestly, I feel like that's exactly what's gonna happen, but I don't know, who knows guys. And I also heard that he actually hasn't slept all night, so that's even worse on my part as well, because he's just gonna be even more moody, you know, because he's gonna be very tired. He's gonna want to go to his bed and sleep, but obviously like the post-its are on his bed as well. But I don't know what to expect guys, so let's just hope that he has a good reaction. I feel like even the walking in and out part is kind of funny also. Like it's just a fail on my part. It's just a gone wrong for me personally. It took me so long to do it, so it's actually like a prank on myself pretty much. Yeah, he's gonna be mad at me. I feel like he's not gonna talk to me for a while. I don't know, that's what he told me. He said if I pull anything on him that he's not gonna talk to me. So yeah, anyway guys, let's just hope that he's like cool about it and hope for a good reaction as well. But we'll see guys, we'll see. So I'm just gonna show you guys the setup right now, and I'm gonna show you guys like a little bit more of everything that's going on in there. I tried my best guys, like I really tried to do everything that I possibly could. So yeah, let's go show you guys the setup. Okay, so you walk in, you open the door, and then you walk into this. So these actually did fall. Then you come over here. So all the blinds are completely covered in post-its. This wall right here, all of that, even this little drawer right here, I really did want to get that in. And then his bed is like completely all of that wall with my cousin's help. Then we did do the TV and that dresser, and we did the chair. We did some of his shoes over there, and then we also did do this little spot right here. That's all good. I didn't really get to finish, as you guys can see. And then I also didn't completely cover up his Michael Jordan and Kobe poster. So this is basically what it looks like. I think it looks pretty damn good if you ask me. I really do love it. Like, honestly, I do really love it. So here is the GoPro that I have, and I'm planning to actually put it up there, get his reaction from here, and I'm also going to be outside with this big camera. And then I also did kind of do a little bit of his desk area, the TV. I really love how the curtains look, to be honest. Like, that could be a style. Oh, and then I didn't show you guys this part, but that's his closet right here. This closet. But yeah, I tried, guys. I'm gonna attempt to put this up here, the GoPro. Guys, my mom just texted me.
Two hours later. 3 hours later. Eventually.
Guys, I just saw him. He's coming. He's coming. Hi, Dad. Hey! What are you doing? I'm vlogging today, dude. Mano! Stop. What are you doing, dude? Bro, find your birthday present. Find your birthday present. Go find your birthday present then. Mano, can you find your present? Can I record it though?
No.
Why not? What's your present though? Can I record?
No.
Please, no.
Bro, if
I
it's
don't
not
have-
a pair of Jordans, bro.
I don't have to post it. Oh, that's not your present.
Bro.
That's not your present. But no, it's in the post-it. It says it what it is.
You think Jordan?
No. No. Hey, bro, I did a good job, huh? Priscilla, too. What? Mano, look for your present, please.
You got me.
Mano, look for your present, please.
Hey, you got me.
What?
The GoPro.
Look for your present, please.
I already did. I can't find it.
Dude, it was right in your eyes. Trust me. Go in there and you're gonna see it right away. What?
The GoPro.
Look for your present, please.
I already did. I can't find it.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
Show everybody how crazy you are.
Dude, for real, just look for your present.
Damn, nobody cleaned up.
I cleaned it a little bit. You found it? You found it? You found
No.
it? Bro, it's literally right there in front of you.
Look.
But no.
Were you gonna let me have your GoPro?
Bro.
Oh, wow. You're gonna be like, dang, you got all that shoes. Dang,
They will never do that.
you got the weekend.
Hey, bring Guys, I think he's mad I think he walked in there already and he saw it and he's mad. He actually was holding my door and opened his door because he didn't want me to get his reaction on camera. But yeah, so hopefully the GoPro got a little bit of it. I don't know though. I don't know what to do, guys. He's gonna be mad at me, I feel like, for a while. So yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go tell him that I missed him right now, so let's see what he does. I'm not gonna show it on camera, guys, but I'm gonna just go do that real quick, okay? Next prank, I'm definitely going to do it on my mom or something, definitely. So if you guys want to see a prank like the last one that I did on my mom this time though, and it's going to be different, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, guys.
When I dreamed it all, ever since I was young, they said I would be nothing. Now they always say congratulations.